So for the last week of content in this course, we are covering transaction processing and database security. Chapter 16, transaction processing, is very short. The database security is a little bit lengthier, but both topics will be on the certification exam. So make sure you read the chapters in the book, go through the lecture demos, and that you complete the assignments. The lecture demo for chapter 16 is rather short because this chapter is pretty short. So this just gets you familiar with what transaction processing is and basically why you need it, okay, why it's important. Then for the textbook assignment, that is also short. I believe we have 3 tasks or 1 task with 3 exercises in it. So like I said, very, very short, but this will give you a feel for how to create transaction processing. Then for database security, this is a little longer chapter and a lot of conceptual information is in this chapter. So make sure you read through this. And then to help you understand the concepts, the textbook assignment actually has you create some users and give them different permissions as far as what they can do with the database. So your role would be a database administrator. So this is very typical of what an administrator has to do. So as you work through this, you'll be creating users, you'll be giving them permissions. You're actually going to create a new schema, and you're going to move some of the tables into that schema because you can grant permission for users at the schema level. So you will be doing that in addition to granting permissions at individual user levels. So you will see how all of that works by walking through this assignment. And then there is no lab assignment this week. There's just the 2 textbook assignments and then the very last unit test, which is pretty short. It's only 15 questions worth 15 points. And it is similar to the other ones where you get to take it 3 times. You need to take it before the test closes. And it looks like I'm going to have to change the dates. But the test, let's see. I will just go ahead and keep this test open through the end of the semester. Okay, so you guys will have 3 opportunities to take this test. Make sure you just do it before the end of the semester. For the last milestone that you would have started last week on triggers, procedures, and UDFs, this is the Dropbox for that. And then this is your final showcase where you will be showing your entire project to the class. Okay, so the directions are here. So you'll be adding to your PowerPoint. You'll add the summary queries, the views, your stored procedures, functions, and triggers. And then you will be adding this reflective piece, converting it into a video and uploading the video. Okay, and that is what you are going to add to the discussion forum. Okay, so this is all due on the 24th, with the exception of the quiz. I will give you that last week of class to get that done too. Please let me know if you run into problems or if you have questions. Also, make sure you get that video for your showcase posted by the 24th, because that gives your classmates, a week to look it over and post reviews.